Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Atom. So today I am going to bring you guys a video, like I said already, on my channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to do some videos here and there for the month of December. So anyway, in this video today, I'm just going to do my hair. And my hair today, I'm not doing any natural hair. I'm going to try to do some protective styling on my hair because the weather is changing. It's going to be so cold. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and install a wig. This wig looks like it's just everywhere, okay? So I'm gonna try my best to cut it down to something I feel like I am comfortable with. I have a scissors here. I got my brush. I already started brushing it. I got my brush here. I got my scissors. Got my scissors here, just kind of like play around it. I don't have a wig stand, so I'm just gonna use my hair and just see what I can do with this hair, and let's see what am I gonna do. It's fitting okay. I just need to make sure it comes to the front. Next thing I'm gonna do is, guys, this hair is everywhere, so I'm gonna try to create some bangs out here, cut it out because I don't know what I'm doing, because I'm just trying to create something for this hair. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and this is what I came up with, guys. This is my final look. Guys, I did everything I can. This is not a wig stand, so that's why I just improvise. So this is how it looks like. So guys, this is what I finally came up with. I kind of worked with it. It's not fully what I needed, or it's not fully where I want it to be. I don't have a good wig cap, so that's probably why it's not sitting properly. But I really want to get myself a wig cap before I do this, but I just wanted to finish this video. This is what I did, guys. The back is like this. There's a hair here, so that's why. It did pretty good, actually, guys. I went from this to this, so I'm gonna quickly finish out here the video, because guys, it's a hustle of hustle and hustle. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. This is just the transitioning. I'm gonna do my next video. Please let me know if you want me to do part 2. I'm gonna do the next video for actually styling this whole wig, and I just don't want anything touching my neck. That's why I went for this. But anyways, okay, your girl is trying. I tried. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this series of chats and videos of random stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna go. This is not perfect, but this is what I came up with. And yeah, do you like this hair or not? Do you like the before or do you like the after? Let me know in the comment section, because I want to know. This is literally my first time playing around with a wig. So anyways, let me go.